What are we making today, Sue?
Making chicken tortilla casserole in the crock pot with only just a few ingredients. Chicken breast, sour cream. I'm throwing in a little cream cheese, just a half a block of an 8-ounce cream cheese, and then seasonings. Chili powder, garlic, salt, pepper, and then a jar of salsa verde and pepper jack cheese and corn tortillas, but they have to be the soft ones.
Soft corn.
Not hard to find, and not hard to locate. They are hard to find. Hi, it's Sue from V&Sflavorfuljourneys. This is a quick chicken tortilla casserole in the crock pot, and you're going to see it's going to come together really, really quick. All we have to do is season the chicken, pour the salsa verde on it, and get it going at high for 2 hours. Chicken breasts, as many as you want. I have 2. Okay, so I'm going to season to my heart's content. Little pepper and a little chili pepper because you like it a little spicy. Garlic powder. I don't use garlic salt, although I do own a lot of garlic salt. I don't know why. And then for salt, I use Crazy Jane's or Jane's Crazy Mixed Up Seasoning because I like it. It's got a few little herbs in it. So you just season it to your heart's content, and these little babies are ready to go in. I already washed my hands. I'm gonna quick wash them. Shake this up and pour this in on the chicken. Look at that. Oh my God, that's gonna be good. This is just mild. This green tomatillo. You know what? I'm gonna add a little water just to get all that goodness out. It's gonna be in the crock pot for a while. And also, I'm gonna just lap up some cream cheese. This is my own. It'll make it creamier. We're gonna let this go on high for about 2 hours. You don't want to overdo the chicken because chicken cooks pretty fast in a crock pot. And then I'll show you the rest of adding the ingredients after a couple hours. So we'll see you in a couple hours. Crock pot's on. Put it on high. I'll check it in a few hours. And then I'm gonna pull the chicken apart and then add the other ingredients. Not a lot to it. See you in a little while. Straight away. I forgot it's gonna be 2 hours. So I'm putting these back. Mr. DeMille, I'm ready for my close-up. I'm gonna pull the chicken because it's cooked. And oh yeah. Yeah, that feels good. Oh man. Okay, got a lot of juice in there, and I will pull the chicken. Oh, I don't like that noise. I might have to take it out of the crock pot, but you can do what you want. We're gonna pull the chicken, and then we're gonna add our other ingredients for about 45 minutes to an hour. Oh yeah, this feels good. 2 hours is all you need, really, for chicken breasts, for 2 chicken breasts.
Whoop.
These are soft corn tortillas, and And then I'm gonna do it. It calls for 8, but there's 10 in a pack, so I'm just gonna do that. So there you go. I'm gonna put half of these in the crock pot with half of the pepper jack cheese and half a cup of sour cream, and then I'll top it with a layer of the other half and the rest of the cheese, and then let it go for 45 minutes to an hour. It's gonna be good. Half of the soft corn tortillas and half a cup of sour cream. Whoops. And mix it in. I need to get a. Oh, you ready? I'm mixing half of the corn tortillas, half of the cheese, and all of the sour cream. Now I'm going to just top it. I'm going to put the tortillas on top. And then the cheese on top of that. And I think the corn tortillas are going to make the difference as opposed to soft. So you gotta look for corn tortillas. We don't mix these in. We're gonna just pepper jack cheese on top. My hands are clean. And we're gonna let her cover it again. About 45 minutes to an hour. Mix this all in. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be tasty. This is chicken tortilla casserole in the crock pot, and look at it. It looks beautiful. I'm gonna scoop some out. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, chicken enchilada in the crock pot. This will be mine. Yeah, it looks pretty good. More juice. I'm gonna put a little bit of salsa on here.